I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all the Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy.
Ai, gente, olha esse dia chuvoso. Tá chovendo bastante aqui. Desde a hora que a gente acordou, agora já é 9 horas e continua chovendo bastante. Olha o tempo, o céu, né? Tá bem nublado. Bom, gente, ignora a minha cara. Meu Deus do céu, gente. Eu não sei como eu tenho coragem de aparecer assim, mas... Bom, eu já fiz algumas coisas aí, vocês já viram. Já limpei o meu fogão, já limpei a minha mesa também. E aí agora eu vou mostrar pra vocês eu lavando louça. Parece que tem bastante, tá, gente? Mas não tem, porque a minha pia é muito pequenininha. Então, acompanhe aí. E se você já estiver gostando desse vídeo, curta, compartilhe, comente. E isso vai me ajudar bastante a crescer aqui. E eu já agradeço pela tua presença. Que Deus ilumine o teu coração e o teu dia. Fica aí com o vídeo. Obrigada. Bom, pessoal, então por hoje foi isso. Eu vou virar a câmera aqui pra vocês e vou mostrar o resultado de como ficou, porque a imagem agora tá horrível, né? Olha, não tá muito boa a qualidade. Então, vou virar pra vocês e vou mostrar o resultado de toda a casa. Bom, gente, vocês viram lá que eu dei um estralo e aí a louça já automaticamente se lavou, né? Se fosse assim, tava bom. Seria muito legal, maravilhoso a nossa vida, né? Se tivesse esse poder de a gente estralar o dedo e já estivesse tudo pronto. Não está...
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud.